Here. What is up, everybody? So we're just going to do some review. I'm using boot.dev right now. I'm allowed to stream this, I have asked. And yeah, we're just going to do some review Python. I've done this course before. I'm getting back into learning, and I figured it would be a good refresher to just kind of go through the basic course again. So, yeah. Chat, hang out, make fun of me. Do your thing. Okay. Assignment. We need to keep track of our hero's health. First line of code, create a new variable named player health and set it equal to 1,000. Player health equal 1,000. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Run it. That's 1,000. So yes. Go ahead and set this lesson. Variables may vary. Variables are called variables because they can hold any value and that value can change. Varies. So in this example, acceleration is going to be 20. Because it reads from top to bottom, and we reassigned it. So read 100 less than before. This is our final output. So it should be 900, 800, 700, 700, 600. Correct. Okay. Here's some math. Okay, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Set this. Create a new variable called armored health. And then we're going to set it equal to player health times our multiplier. Right, and 2 times 1,000 is 2,000. Correct. Okay. So we set this without looking at it. Negative numbers in Python work the way you would expect. Just add a minus sign. Our hero walks through poison. Their health should go down. Right now, our hero is gaining gem health instead of losing gem health. Change the poison damage variable to be negative. So currently it is positive. So add a minus. And 100 minus 10. If we take that away to see what it was doing before, it's just adding it. So should be 90. We are good. Comments don't do anything. They're ignored by the Python interpreter. That said, they're good for what the name implies. Adding comments to your code in plain English or whatever language you speak. Single hashtag, pound or whatever, makes the rest of the lines a comment. Speed describes how fast the player moves. Moves in meters per second. Speed equal to multi-line comments, aka doc strings. So you can use triple quotes to start and end multi-line comments as well. Code found below will print hello world to the console. This is useful if you don't want to add to start up each line, writing paragraphs and comments. Line 1 in the code was meant to be a comment, but the developer forgot to use the correct syntax. Fix the bug by commenting out the first line of code. Probably should have reset that. Scimitar. Good. Keep moving on. Variable names. Variable names must have spaces. They're two string of characters. We're going to use snake case. What is snake case? It's just a style for writing variable names. Here are some examples of different casing styles. No casing. Just don't do this. That was valid camel case. Snake case. Python has several basic data types. Strings. Programming snippets of text called strings. They're a list of characters strung together. We create strings by wrapping the text in single quotes or double quotes. That said, double quotes are preferred. So this is so good. This is not so good. Numbers are not surrounded by quotes when they're declared. Integer. It's nothing without a decimal part. Float has a decimal part. Boolean or boo is a type that can only have one or two values, true or false. You've heard computers don't really use ones and really only use ones and zeros. These ones and zeros are just true or false Boolean values. To fix the bugs in the code, player health should be an integer and player has magic should be a Boolean. Positive number. What's this? Correct. Let's go. Oh good, F strings. You ever played old school Pokemon? It chose it a funny name so the in-game message would come out funny, haven't we all? In Python, we create strings that contain dynamic values with the f-string syntax. Num bananas equal 10, bananas equal f, you have blah 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 blah. Add an f to start postman. This is easy. Interpolate. What does interpolate mean? So much fun with this. Oh, that is not what I meant to do. fix the bug on line 7. Use an F string to inject dynamic values into the string. Replace the name with the value of the name, race with the value of the race, blah, 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 blah. Do not hard code the values into the string, for example. This is not the solution I'm looking for, even though it happens to work in this case. It's been a little while since I've used F strings. Oh no! That's kind of screwed up that it uses my my armor when I've already. Have I forgotten how to do a freaking F string? Oh, I'm just being silly. Name. I deserve that. Let's reset that lesson so we can. Okay, got it. Okay, my mental acuity in this case is none until you use the assignment operator equal to get the value. None is not a string. Okay. None type quiz. default value that will be replaced later. Python is dynamically typed, which means a variable can store any type, and that type can change. For example, if I make a number variable, I can either change that to a string, speed equal 5, speed equal 5. But like, maybe don't. Of course, only on Tuesdays. Dynamic. Math with strings. Working with strings, the plus operator. So much stuff there. Bam. Save space when creating any new variables by declaring on the same line. Sword name, comma. Sword damage, comma. Sword length equal Excalibur, which is 10 and 200. The same as that. Any number of variables declared on the same line. Variables declared on the same line should be related to one another in the same way so that the code remains easy to understand. You probably need to go and check real quick if my poor YouTube. Yeah, I didn't realize that this is entirely wrong. Give me just a second to fix the YouTube one. Okay. Okay, hopefully everything's good now. Sorry about that. Limit. Okay. Got boots. Boots helps us. The code, don't submit the code. Notice that nothing prints to the console. I'm gonna try and do it without boots. So we need quest. I don't know. This is gonna. Nope. Yeah, I don't think that was necessary. Just really screw this one up, didn't I? How this works. You there, adventurer. The local mine has been taken over by orcs. Bring it back. There we go. We figured it out. We're just a little slow. Central cheat sheet of everything blended. Famous. Won all their games in elimination round of the tournament. They're now in the finals. Calculate the average score of 4 games and store in the average score variable. The average or mean is calculated adding up all the numbers, dividing how many numbers there are, which means first we need to add up all the scores and then divide by 4. Okay. Equal. One plus 2 plus B 3 plus divided by 4. I think that's oh yeah, baby. Basic math. That's what I'm talking about. When runner is not defined. Get the character report running, run the code to see it fail, fix the syntax of each variable is the data type you'd expect. So name should be string, that's okay. Enter code. Could be string, float. Keep it to 15, but change it to a float. Should be a boolean. Alright, so string, integer, string, float, keep it 15, have a decimal, and boolean. Okay, so we just did, that actually didn't take as much time as I thought it was going to. Functions allow us to reuse and organize code.
É muito tempo de resiliência.
function, name a function. Remember, this is the value. Pi times radius times radius. Turn the area. Define failure to use but not called. Single input is ignored. Radius equals 5. What is the functions one? There's a lot. So I think that might be it for